What's up guys, Rob from ChillingMotorParts.com. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the yoke for a Minn Kota Fortrex or Ultrex. The yoke is located on the inside of the bracket on your Minn Kota Ultrex or Fortrex trolling motor. It connects to the gas spring and its purpose is to hold the shaft in place when it's stowed on the bracket. If you guys need to pick one of these up, we'll have the link in the description below. I'm going to show you how to replace it step by step, so let's get started. First thing we're going to want to do is remove the trolling motor from the bracket. There's a 1/4 inch hex head bolt on the top of the steering motor or bow guard that will hold your motor to your bracket. We do have a video explaining how to do this. If you need it, we will link it in the description below. This mount does have lift assist, so when the motor is not attached, this gas spring is still pressurized. Make sure you're putting pressure down on it when stowing it, and be cautious of your fingers in your face. This mount is strong enough to knock your teeth out, so if you do that, don't go blaming me. Now you can remove the side plates. There will be 3 or 4 screws holding these on each side, depending on which bracket you have. To remove these, you'll need a number 3 Phillips. Next, we're going to remove the set screws from the back side of the rear pivots with a 1/16 inch Allen wrench. And once those are removed, you can pull your pivot pin out, releasing the inner arm. Now we can remove the 4 torque screws on each side that hold your rear pivots on. To do this, we'll need a T30. Now that these are removed, we can pull the rear pivots out. You'll need to pull your inner arm up to get it up out of the way. And now we can lift the outer arm up, giving us access to the yoke. As you can see, the 2 ears on this yoke we are replacing are broken. Here I have a new one, and this is what it should look like. To remove this yoke, you'll need to drive this pin out. The pin is knurled on one side, so you'll want to drive it out from the opposite side. And once that is out, we can put our new yoke in place and slide the pin back in. And once that is tight, we can slide our rear pivots back in place. Now that these are lined up, we can start our torque screws. and snug these up. And once those are tight, we can line our inner arm up with the back side of the rear pivots to start the pin. And once the pin is in place, we can start our set screws. And once those are tight, we can put our side plates back on. And once those are secure, you are finished. So that covers it for the Minn Kota Yoke replacement. If you guys need to pick one of these up, we'll have the link in the description below. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.